Assalamualaikum students. Today we start exercise 7.2. Same, it is related to the vectors and vector in a space. So the question number 2. Let u is equal to I plus 2j minus k and v is equal to 3i minus 2j plus 2k and w is equal to 5i minus j plus 3k, and he is saying that find the indicated vector or number, whatever. So we have to find absolute value of 3v plus w. First of all, we have to find 3v plus w. So here 3v plus w is equal to 3 into 3i minus 2j plus 2k plus 5i minus j plus 3k. When we open it, 9i minus 6j plus 6k plus 5i minus j plus 3k. Now when we add these two, 9i plus 5i, that becomes 14i minus 6i minus 7j minus 6j minus j, so minus 7j plus 6k 3k, that is 9k. Now when we want to find the absolute of this one, now 3v plus w, absolute value of this one, it means that 14 square plus minus 7 square plus 9 square. So when we open it, so we get the answer. 14 square means 196 plus 49 plus 81. So here we have something like this, whatever the value is. So this is the way how to find this value. The same thing which you have already done. This is not a new thing here. Continue this one. Again, question number 4, that he is saying find alpha. We have to find alpha when alpha I plus 1i j plus 2k, that is equal to 3. So take the absolute of this one, it means square root of alpha square plus alpha 1 plus 1 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 3, or alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 3, or we write 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 5 is equal to 9, taking square on both sides. So 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 5 minus 9 is equal to 0, or 2 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 4 is equal to 0, or alpha square plus alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. So make the factorization here, process is there, and get the answer. So alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0. So alpha plus 2 minus 1, alpha plus 2 is equal to 0. So alpha plus 2 and alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. Alpha plus 2 is equal to 0, or alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. So alpha is equal to minus 2 or alpha is equal to 1. These are the two values of alpha we have. Now Question number 6. A is equal to 3i minus j minus 4k. B is equal to minus 2i minus 4j minus 3k. And C is equal to I plus 2j minus k. We have to find unit vector of 3a minus 2b plus 4c. So first of all, let u is equal to 3a minus 2b plus 4c. We take it as u, and this is equal to 3 into a. 3i minus j minus 4k minus 2b. b is minus 2i minus 4j minus 3k plus 4 into I plus 2j minus k. So when we open this one, so we get 9i minus 3j minus 12k plus 4i plus 8j plus 6k plus 4i plus 8j minus 4k. So when we add these, the components of these, so we have 9i, 4i, so 8, 17i minus 3j plus 8j 16 and minus 3, 13j minus 12k plus 6k minus 6 and minus 4 minus 10k. So this is equal to u. So what is the unit vector now? Unit vector of u is equal to u hat, that is equal to unit vector divided by its magnitude. So putting the values and we get the answer here. So that is 17i plus 13j minus 10k divided by square root of 17 square plus 13 square plus minus 10 square. 17i plus 13j minus 10k divided by, what is the answer here? 289 plus 169 plus 100. So here we have, the answer is 17i plus 13j minus 10k divided by something like this. Check it, the answer. What is the answer? So we write separately with all these three. So we get the answer in this manner. So this is the unit vector of this vector which is given here. ये सारी वो चीज़ें हैं जो आप ऑलरेडी कर चुके हो, मैं सिर्फ इसको रिवाइज करके आपको थोड़ा सा बता रहा हूँ. अदरवाइज इसमें ऐसा कोई ख़ास नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है कि फाइंड अ वेक्टर हुज मैग्नीट्यूड इज 4, मैग्नीट्यूड इज 4 and parallel to 2i minus 3j plus 6k. So first of all we find the unit vector of this one. Let u is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 6k. तो इसका सबसे पहले हम यूनिट वेक्टर फाइंड करते हैं. सो यूनिट वेक्टर के लिए वी फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 6 स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर रूट, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is equal to 49 and 7. So here what is the unit vector? Unit vector of u is unit vector divided by magnitude of this one. So we get vector is 2i minus 3j plus 6k divided by 7, or 2 by 7i minus 3 by 7j plus 6 by 7k. This is the unit vector of u. Now वो ये कह रहा है कि ऐसा वेक्टर फाइंड करो जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड 4 हो और जो इसके पैरेलल हो. ऑब्वियसली जो इसके पैरेलल होगा वो सेम वेक्टर होगा. When u is equal to k v, it means that u and v are parallel to each other with any scalar multiple. Let v be the required vector whose magnitude is 4 and parallel to u. So v is equal to 4 into 2 by 7i minus 3 by 7j plus 6 by 7k. So इसको आप simplify कर लो तो we get the answer here 8 by 7i minus 12 by 7j plus 24 by 7k, which is the required vector here. So ये हमारे पास एक छोटा सा सेटअप था. ये कुछ क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी स्किप कर दिए गए हैं इसमें से वो हैं. सो इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन है डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस का. डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस क्या होती हैं? कॉस अल्फा, कॉस बीटा एंड कॉस गैमा. दीज आर द डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस व्हिच आर इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस unit vector. Anyhow, the question number 11, part 1, v is equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. So what are the direction cosines here? Direction cosines are, first of all we take the magnitude of this one, 3 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square whole square root. So 9 plus 1 plus 4, that is square root of 14. Now direction cosines are cos alpha is equal to 3 over square root of 14, cos beta minus 1 over 14, and cos gamma is equal to 2 divided by square root of 14. So these are the three direction cosines of this vector. So and there is another thing, important thing, always keep in mind, other than this one. इसके अलावा हमारे पास एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट इसका रिजल्ट होता है कि cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is always equal to 1. इसका मतलब ये डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस, सम ऑफ द स्क्वायर ऑफ द डायरेक्शन कोसाइन इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 1. ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट है जो हम यूज़ भी करते हैं, ऑल्दो कि उसने क्वेश्चन आपका स्किप कर दिया है सिलेबस में से, बट जहाँ पे भी आएगा ये एमसीक्यू आ जाए या प्रूव करना आ जाए, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square alpha gamma is equal to 1. So this is the important result. So this was the exercise 7.2. Inshallah in the next we will start 7.3. Thank you very much.